What's up, guys? English Dan. We've been waiting a long time for this. Like a really long time. And I'm really excited to tell you that they're here. They are here. What am I talking about? Oh boy, wait till I tell you about these. Welcome back, guys. So yeah, people have been excited for this. They've been teasing the announcement now for a few weeks, and well, they're here. These have 10 coatings of nano layers. Let me just say, pure note technology. Driver is coated with 10 hardened nano layers, generate stunning accuracy and clarity. Now let me tell you, in my short little bit of testing I've done so far, because this isn't a review, it's just a first look and first impressions, but in my short amount of testing I've done so far, that is bang on. Anyway, let's get back into a little bit more about these things. Targeted active noise cancelling, pure note technology for sublime sound, Hear ID. So Hear ID is like you've had on the Liberty 2 Pro, the Liberty Air 2 previously, where you put these in your ears, you connect them to the app. Yes, they are app, obviously. All the Liberty line are app usable. So you put these in, you listen to a series of beep through the app, through the Hear ID option, and when you hear a beep, you press it, and it tunes these to how you listen to earbuds or how your ears pick up frequencies. It's pretty good. Do I use it? No, but I know people that do. I use my own custom EQ because I like brain-numbing, head-rocking bass. And I'm just going to say before we start, these have that. Anyway, we'll get back onto that in a second. Clear calls via 6 noise-cancelling mics. So if you remember last time, if I remember rightly, the Liberty Air 2 had 4 microphones. These pump it up to 6. Now, I've not done much in the way of phone calls with these, so I'm not really going to comment on that right now. I'll save that for the review, but they have upgraded it to 6 mics. You also get 7 hours, or up to 7 hours, playtime with these things. 26 hours with the charging case, which is pretty good for active noise cancelling. Like, really top notch. So when it comes to the unboxing with these things, it's pretty much the regular Soundcore fare, and Soundcore really do a really good unboxing experience. It unfolds the flap like a book, and then on the inside it'll have some information like the targeted active noise cancellation, designed to eliminate the most disruptive and intrusive noise in everyday situations. Focusing on your environment specific sounds ensures the most effective noise cancelling performance. Simply choose your scenario via the Soundcore app and listen to the world as it disappears. The active noise cancelling on these is insane. I'll show you that in the app shortly. I had these on, I was listening to my music, my wife was shouting me, my son was making all kinds of garbly noises. I couldn't hear a word they were saying. I had no idea they were talking to me. These are for real when it comes to this. They really are. Anyway, so on the right side, you see there's the earbuds, and there is the case that these come in. The case on these is really nice. It's a flip-top lid like the Liberty 2 Pro was, but it's more of a square box, as you can see. It's still a really good compact size. And the earbuds themselves look a little bit different to what the Liberty Air 2 did, but they're actually really comfortable and feel better built again. Not that the Liberty Air 2 weren't well built, but these feel another step up. And that's a bit of a theme with these for me. What I've noticed in my short time with them is they seem to be a step up everywhere. So the box has a bit more of a grip on it. It's obviously a matte finish, and it's got this like a rubbery texture on it. Now, what you will see in a minute is I also have the blue set, and the blue pair do seem to, well, the case anyway, it does seem to have a bit more of a rubbery texture to it, so a bit more grippy, but the white is grippy as well. No fingerprints on these things. They're nice the way they've made them, so they don't get smudged or just look nasty or slippery when trying to pull them out your pocket or something like that. Then after you pull out the earbuds, obviously you pull out the black foam, and underneath there you get the plethora of ear tips. Soundcore always give you tons of ear tips. You also get the manuals, so the how did we do. Soundcore like to know what you think of their products. They take whatever you say on board and then they try and fix it. Soundcore are one of these companies that are forever updating the app. They're also sending out firmware for their earbuds. They're really on top of it. You get the user manual, and then you get the quick start guide, and then like I say, underneath that you get all these ear tips. And these ear tips are important, always important, on no matter what earbuds you are using, you want to make sure, just take a few minutes, because you've got a lot in here. Take a few minutes, find the ones that best cause a seal in your ears, because that will give you tons of more bass, far better sound, and obviously better ANC. Really important. And don't feel strange if you have to wear two different sizes. I do with mine. I have to wear a large in one ear and a medium in the other. It's just the way it is. Everybody's ear canals are different. Some people just wear two of the same size, some people don't. So don't think it's weird that you've got to wear opposite. It's not like someone's can see them when they're in your ears. Oh, look, he's got two different tips on there. Yeah, it's whatever fits you best, so make sure you do that. And then you obviously get the USB-C cable. So nice little package when it comes to the Liberty Air 2 Pro. But what you want to know is, how do they sound? And I kind of spoiled that at the beginning. So, like I said, I have the blue ones. I've got them right here, actually. I'll show you what they look like when they're in. But I love this colour blue here. Look at that thing. That looks great. As you may have realised, I like blue. My background lights are blue. I have blue on my t-shirt. My logo has blue in it. Everything's kind of blue with me. It does have the mirror effect for the Soundcore logo. Let me get this closer up so you can see it. Let's get it focused in. So, as you can see, it's a matte finish. And it's like a rubbery finish. It's just so nice. It's like it's been plasti dipped. That's the best way I can put this. It's like what I did to my PlayStation. I don't know whether you've seen what I did with my PlayStation 5, but I made that a metallic blue plasti dipped PlayStation 5. Let me know down there if you want to see that. I can make a quick video on it. It's no problem. It won't be a quick one, but yeah, you get to see something in a different colour. I know a lot of people are doing blacks, but I did mine blue. This is blue. But yeah, I love this case. It's fantastic. Grippy, easy, wireless charging still, USB-C, offers plenty of charge on the actual earbuds when you're not using them. The earbuds seat inside. It's got that really nice motion that the Liberty 2 Pro did for the case as well, where it just slides up and down. And then the earbuds seat in it this way this time, instead of sitting in top of the case, where before they would have probably just gone in like this and it'd have been a flip top lid. Now they actually seat inside there, and they don't come out. They're magnetized, so nope, they don't come out. I mean, if you really wanted to make them shake and make them come out, then they're going to come out. But that's on you. They're really well stuck in there. So what do they look like when they're in? Well, let me tell you. They look perfectly fine. And I really do like them. Let's hope my music doesn't start playing. They do have the feature where if you take them out, the music stops, you put them back in, the music will automatically start. They do have gestures as well, touch controls. I'll get more into that into the review, as I've not really used them enough yet. I've just been concentrating on the sound. Obviously, like I say, they do connect to the app, so you've got the custom EQs, you've got the 10 Grammy Award winning equalizer settings, you've got your Soundcore signature settings. You've also got in there, and I'm going to show you that in a moment, your settings for your ANC, where you can choose what kind of active noise cancelling you want or what kind of transparency mode you want, because these do have the hear through sound as well, so you can hear your surroundings. And there's two different kinds, where it lets everything in or it just lets voices in. It's really clever how they've done it. I am super impressed with the noise cancelling on these. You'll be blown away by them. You really will. The noise cancelling on these is that good. It's like I was saying before. I was sat on the sofa. My wife is no more than 5 feet away from it. Dan, 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 Dan. Baby's going, Dad, Dad, Dad. Nope, couldn't hear a thing. Can't hear the TV going. Can't hear the fan above me. Just music. And it was bliss. They're just so great when it comes to the listening experience on these. So how do they sound? Well, out the box, they sound perfectly fine. Some really good sound separation when it comes to the instruments. The bass is smooth but big. That Liberty, that Soundcore signature sound, boomy, smooth bass, but doesn't go over into the mids and spill into that and spoil it for you, or doesn't ruin the vocals. The highs are there, and I actually had to tone the highs down a bit. I do have more sensitive hearing to the high tone, so I do have to bring it down, but the clarity is just fantastic. These, in my short time of using them, punch way above their weight. My jaw literally was like, wow. I couldn't believe the sound out of these things. Now, there's no price on these yet. I haven't got a price for them. When the price does come, I'll put it in the description. Or it might be in the title, because by the time you see this video, they've probably been announced. And you probably know about them. But you want to know more about them. And that's why you're watching me. You better be watching me. Because if you're not watching me, I'm going to find you. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway. So yeah, the sound on these is absolutely spectacular. Nice and loud. Wonderful soundstage. Just so good. And they're really comfortable. As you can see, I've got them in here. No problems whatsoever. They don't hurt. They don't... Music's just started. I pressed it and I've got music going. Whoa. Oh, the sound on these things. I'm listening to... what am I listening to here? I'll tell you right now. Lee Matos, if you've never heard of him, he does some really good, like, 80s but modern music, dance music, and it's so good. And they sound spectacular through these. Everything comes through big, and they're just so good. I just want to sit here and listen to them. I don't want to talk to you. I want to listen to these. They're fantastic. But yeah, they fit really good. Seal's really good. They look really good. I really do. Just off my short time of wearing these, I really do recommend them. I just can't help but say that these are awesome. They're going to sound better after a few days of use, let me tell you. When you pull earbuds out, they've not been burnt in. So how you hear them the first day is not the way they're going to sound in 5 days or 48 hours later. So they're only going to get better. So these things are mind-blowing. They're also really easy to put back. Like I say, the case is magnetized. So you just put it in, bang, and it just snaps back into place like so. Trying to do it without see the box. My Jedi skills aren't good enough for that, but yeah, they just literally snap in. So yeah, these are awesome. Like, they've been well worth the wait. The Liberty Air 2 are still really good, like I did in my video. Are they any good still in 2021? Are they still worth the purchase? And they are. But the difference between those and these are just insane. And I'll do a video on that coming up in the next few days as well. But yeah, this is the Liberty Air 2 Pro. These are amazing so far. I hope you enjoyed what I've just shown you. Come back in a couple of days. I'll get you the review for them. But I can tell you right now, you ain't going to be disappointed when you buy these. They do them in various colours as well before I go. As you can see, I had the white as well. My wife is using the white ones. These are the blue. They also do a black. And they do it looks like a gold, like a rose gold kind of colour maybe. Or a champagne gold. I've not actually seen those in person. But you've got 4 colour choices as well. So you're not stuck with your usual just black or white. Nice touch. These are really nice. Alright guys, this is English Dan. I'm going listening to these and saying goodnight to you. Laters.